Hey guys, welcome back to Potty Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be continuing my Bob Summer Wig series. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos thus far. I will be showing you guys how I got this lightweight, curly, 10-inch bob. Perfect for the summer, very lightweight. If you guys are interested in my review and how I install this wig, please continue to watch this video. But first, I need you to hit the subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday at 1 p.m. and you don't want to miss them. I will have the details to this beautiful unit listed down below. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, I am back with another summer wig video to go with the summer wig playlist we have been doing. I hope you guys have enjoyed these bobs I've been bringing to you guys. I really do hope y'all have been enjoying them, because I have been enjoying doing them as well as wearing them. Because let me tell you sis, it's 100 and something degrees and I'm not trying to wear no bundles down to my butt right now. It's too hot for that. So the next wig I have for you guys is a 4x4. So that's the lace, that's the inside. This 4x4 comes with 3 clips as well, or yeah, it comes with 3 clips. Okay, it's curly, it's 10 inches. This wig was sent over to me from an Amazon company called iSilly, or not iSilly, iLicy, I-L-I-C-Y. I will have the company in the description box as well as a link for you guys to check it out. I don't know why I said iSilly, but anyways, it was sent from them. It is human hair wig. It is curly human hair wig. Price point is about 50, 60-ish bucks, but it is pretty and I think it's perfect. It's not gonna be too much on the neck, you know, so we're gonna get into it. Okay, so first things first, I am going to take my facial toner, witch hazel and lavender, on the alcohol pad, and I'm going to wipe my forehead. I like to do this instead of using alcohol because alcohol is not good for your hair, and especially if we're natural and we're talking about using alcohol-free, sulfate-free products, then why would we go in and put alcohol on our edges, right? Just to lay our wigs. Doesn't make sense. I'm just saying. If you guys are looking for a detailed wig video, I do already have one of those out. I will have it in the description box as well. It is a part of this bob wig series. So it's the first one that dropped. So you guys need to go ahead and watch it after you watch this one, okay? So if you've been watching my videos, you know I like to cut my lace off first before I do anything else. So I'm going to take my scissors and cut my lace off. I just go ahead and cut along the line, or don't cut in a line. Rather, do not cut in a line. You do not want the whole box look, you know, kind of cut diagonal. Normally I cut with smaller scissors, but these were the only ones I could find, so these are gonna get the job done. Some people like to put their lace on first and then cut it, like measure it out and then cut it. I like to go ahead and cut the excess lace off first, and then I'll place it on my head, and then if I need to cut more, I will. So I'm gonna cut the lace off and I'll be right back. Then I'm going to take some foundation and put it on the inside. Normally I use my Magic Tint Lace Tint Spray, but since it's not that much of an area, I'm just gonna use foundation on that part. And I like to take foundation that is closest to my skin tone for that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my NYX Born to Glow foundation, put it on the back of my hands. You guys know this is my favorite foundation. I swear by this foundation. So yeah, and then we are going to take some on a brush like this, flip the wig in, and then we're just gonna dab it on there like this. And again, because it's a 4x4 and the parting is small, you shouldn't have to use a whole lot. I think I'm gonna take one more pump, because I like for the back to be blended in as well. Y'all, this foundation, this is not a makeup video. This foundation is like a foundation you can wear all year long. Like, you can wear when it's hot, you can wear when it's cold. It's just a good foundation. Like NYX, they did their thing. That's gonna be my spiel on it. Now then, this is what the inside looks like now that I have placed foundation on it, and this is what the outside looks like, see? And then this is Again, like I said, it's 4x4. So once I lay it down, if I have extra lace, I'll just cut it off. You guys will see me do that here on the camera. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I do not feel like this wig is big head friendly. So if you feel like you got a big head, I don't feel like this is big head friendly. It could be because my hair is in a protective style underneath this wig cap, but I don't know. It feel like it could have been a little snug on the back. So I'm just saying, be careful with buying it. Okay, and this is what we are looking like so far. We're gonna pull that down. Look, what lace? What lace already, y'all? Already. We ain't even got into it good. Please tell me what lace. What lace? Okay, so y'all know I have a widow's peak, so I like to bring my units down just a little bit more, just to cover it up. I think did a really good job cutting the lace off. I see like little bitty pieces I'm gonna take off, like right here. But the lace itself looks nice, and it comes pre-plucked already. So if you one of those people that isn't good at plucking and stuff like that, like I'm not the best at plucking either, this is one of those wigs that you don't have to do a whole lot to. It's already ready for you. Okay, so the spray that I'm going to be using, you guys know I swear by this spray now. I can't believe I waited so long to hop on this train. The Even Wonder Lace Bun Spray. It is fast drying, 20 times the hold for lace, and it's sweat resistant. It is perfect for this heat. Like, it really is perfect for this heat. And if you have a unit that you want to wear longer than a week, because I give this about a week and then I have to do touch-ups. If you have a unit that you want to wear longer than a week, you want to pair this with, like, say that Kiss Mighty Blonde glue or the Isha glue, baby, that wig is not coming off. Let me tell y'all. If y'all want a video like that, let me know. I got you. But for the sake of this video, we keeping it beginner friendly, because what has this whole series been about? Beginner friendly summer bob wig looks. All right, we keeping it beginner friendly. So then I am just going to pull this back, and right here where the wig comes, I'm gonna spray 2 to 3 layers, and you want to let those dry. Okay, so while I'm waiting for this to dry a little bit longer, how y'all been doing this year? How y'all been doing this summer? How have things been going in your area? Comment down below how you guys are doing, how 2022 has been treating you. I hope good. I hope everybody has been having a fun summer, even though in a lot of places like me, I live down south, it's really hot. So it's not a whole lot you can do till the sun gets ready to go down. But I have been having a good summer nonetheless. I've been having fun making videos. I've been trying to get out and hang out with my friends, practicing self-care like we talked about back in May when we talked about mental illness. So I hope you guys have been practicing self-care as well and taking care of yourself, because that is important. You cannot pour from an empty glass. If you are close to empty or almost empty, how are you going to help somebody else? Take care of you first, boo. Okay, now that our spray is tacky, we're gonna go ahead and take our wig and we are going to pull it down over that. I'm just gonna let it lay there. I'm gonna take this comb and I'm going to push down on everything else. See a little bit more lace right here I want to cut off. So I'm just going to take that and do a little trimmy trim. Alright, then we're going to comb this to the back And we're gonna put our melting band on. I'm gonna wipe some of this off right here though. We're gonna put our melting band on. You can take any kind of band, a hair scarf, whatever is easiest for you. You can take that and just lay it on top of your lace. For me, it's easier to do this because it just velcro to the back, and that's easier than trying to tie it down. Now then, you're gonna leave this on, I would say 5 to 10 minutes. I usually like go off and do something and then come back once. It's been about like 5 to 10 minutes like I said. So I will be back. Okay y'all, so we back. I feel a little lopsided. I don't know, it could be all these flowers in the background. If I am a little lopsided, y'all just ignore it. But we back. Okay. Oh, look at that, coming from the scalp. Listen, if y'all ain't watching these wig videos, I don't know what y'all doing, because I'm helping y'all. I'm teaching somebody something that's just gonna get that little ashy residue off of there. Okay, okay. All right, so I'm thinking I don't want to wear a middle part because, again, I have a widow's peak and my forehead is not that big. So me and middle parts don't get along. So I'm thinking I'm gonna rock me a little sidey side part, but not too much to the side, you know. Just a little something, something. Big wheels keep on turning, turning. Oh, baby, yeah, baby, keep on burning. Rolling, rolling. That's how I feel. Rolling, rolling. Y'all ignore me. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go hot comb this. That's what's gonna have to happen. I have to hot comb this to the side and then I will be back. I will hot comb it here, but I ain't got no extra plug-in space. So I'm gonna go hot comb it and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. I went ahead and did my baby hairs off camera because let me tell y'all, I still struggle with those. And until I can get them down, I don't want to just bring them onto the channel yet because y'all don't know. It took me like 30 minutes to do these baby hairs, no lie, and they just simple. I use the black gel that is the same with the spray as the spray I used. I used it to lay my baby hairs down. Y'all, I'm feeling this wig in this little part up here to the side. Okay, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this on in. We're gonna put some foundation here, and we may put some on the part. We'll see what it's looking like. Yeah. We'll see what it's looking like. But I like this hair, and it's human hair, so it's really soft, meaning you can also flat iron it if you don't like the curls. I'm gonna comb the curls out some because I'm gonna go more for a wavy look than a curly look. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put some foundation on this lace so we can blend it on in. Actually, it looked really good, y'all. I don't even know if I need to put foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and put foundation on the part. And then whatever left from the brush, I will add it to the lace part. For some reason, y'all, my eyelashes giving me the blues. I don't know. Seriously stressing me out a little bit. Alright, yeah. See how we just melted that right on in with that excess, that little extra foundation. Boom. It's giving scalp. It's giving what? Scalp. Say it with me. Scalp. Okay, I'm gonna take this wide tooth comb. Get this foundation off my hands first. I'm gonna take this wide tooth comb and I'm gonna comb the curls out some. We're gonna really see what she's giving. Again, this wig is 10 inches. I would have loved to got it in 12 inches or received it in 12 inches. I think the 12-inch bob is like my favorite now. Like, I know I don't like 8 inches because I feel like my face is too fat for them. So I don't like no. But a 12-inch to the collarbone, that's me. 14-inch come on down a little bit further. But I think a 12-inch is perfect. But this 10 is going to be perfect for this heat. Do y'all hear me? It's going to be perfect for this heat. Yes, look at these waves. I am in love. Really, I'm in love. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look. I am obsessed with this wig. I love this wig. I don't think I showed you guys the back of it, but look how full it is. I love this wig. Listen, highly recommend. Go get it. 10 out of 10. It is super beginner friendly, especially if you don't know what you don't know how to lay lace down. You're not used to the whole face thing. 13x4. 4x4 is the way to go. This is one of the best beginner friendly wigs. You do not have to style it. You don't have to customize the baby hairs unless you want to. You don't have to customize the hairline unless you want to. Like, she is a grab and go, a ready to go girl. Very lightweight. It's not hot. It's not even touching my neck. Like, it's barely touching the bottom of my chin. Like, she is perfect for this summer heat. Perfect for this summer heat. I am absolutely obsessed. Y'all, these Amazon wigs really be coming through. It's crazy because some of these companies I don't be done heard of until they reach out to me. But nevertheless, they be coming through. Coming through. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday at 1 p.m. and you don't want to miss them. As always, thank you for your support. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below your favorite part of this video. If y'all are enjoying these wig videos, comment down below that as well. As always, thank you for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.